The best laptop under $1,000 in 2026 might not be the one you think. I've tested dozens of machines, and 5 absolutely crushed the competition, from an ultra-portable MacBook to a gaming beast and even a Chromebook that surprised me. All the buy links for these exact models are in the description box below. If this review saves you time and money, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs a new laptop, and subscribe for honest tech breakdowns. Let's count them down. Starting at number 1, the Apple MacBook Air 13 with the M4 chip. This is the best laptop under $1,000 we've tested. It keeps the same sleek, all-aluminum build, excellent Retina display, and all-day battery life that MacBooks are known for. The 1080p webcam is sharp, and the haptic touchpad remains the industry standard. Yes, the 60Hz display is a little behind premium Windows laptops, but for documents and everyday use, you won't care. Under the hood, the M4 chip makes everything snappier. The new 12MP camera adds center stage to keep you framed during video calls, and you can now connect 2 external 6K displays. The only real downside? Still just 2 USB-C ports. But if you want the most polished ultra-portable under $1,000, this is it. Moving on to number 2, the Acer Swift Go 14. This is our best Windows laptop under $1,000. It's compact, lightweight, and surprisingly sturdy despite a bit more plastic in the build. Intel's Meteor Lake CPUs handle everything from spreadsheets to programming with ease, and you can configure up to 32 gigs of RAM and 2 terabytes of storage. The storage is user replaceable, by the way. The keyboard is a little mushier than the MacBooks, the speakers are noticeably worse, and the touchpad isn't haptic. But you get a much wider port selection and excellent battery life at around 11 hours. Display options include an FHD plus IPS or a gorgeous 2.8K OLED, just know the OLED flickers, which bothers some people. If you want a larger, more premium Windows laptop and can catch a sale, the Microsoft Surface Laptop 7th Edition 15 is worth a look, but check app compatibility first since it runs on ARM. That brings us to number 3, the Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 714. This is the best Chromebook under $1,000. It's a 14-inch 2-in-1, so you can flip it into tent mode for movies or use it as a tablet. The IPS touchscreen looks vibrant and gets bright enough for most indoor settings, but reflection handling is poor. Direct light sources will glare right back at you. Ports include USB-A, 2 USB-C with Thunderbolt 4, and even HDMI. Battery life is great at over 10 hours, and Intel Meteor Lake CPUs are more than fast enough for anything Chrome OS can throw at them. The keyboard and touchpad are comfortable, and the webcam is fantastic. Just remember, Chrome OS doesn't run every piece of software, so check compatibility if you need specialized programs. For students or anyone living inside a browser, this is a steal. Number 4 on the list is the Microsoft Surface Pro 11th Edition. This is the best 2-in-1 tablet under $1,000. The keyboard detaches completely, so you can hold it like a tablet on an airplane tray table or kitchen counter. Pop the keyboard back on when you need to type. 2 big caveats: the keyboard and stylus are sold separately, and those extras will push you over $1,000, but in my opinion, it's worth it. The sub-$1000 model comes with a Snapdragon X Plus chip and an IPS display, which is actually the one we recommend. The Faster X Elite model has an OLED panel that suffers from a distracting screen door effect and potential burn-in. Battery life is excellent at over 11 hours, and you charge over USB-C. Just be aware this is an ARM-based device, so confirm your apps are compatible before buying. And finally, number 5, the Asus TUF Gaming A16 Advantage Edition. This is our best gaming laptop under $1,000. For under $1,000, you get a 165Hz FHD Plus display, a Ryzen 7 processor, an AMD Radeon RX 7600S GPU, 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM, and 512 gigs of storage. That means high, consistent frame rates in demanding AAA games at 1080p or even 1440p depending on your settings. The 165Hz IPS panel has a fast response time and variable refresh rate, so fast-moving scenes stay clear with minimal ghosting. It doesn't get very bright though, so bright rooms are a problem. Ports are solid including Ethernet and HDMI 2.1, and both RAM and storage are user replaceable, huge for future upgrades. The laptop runs hot and loud under load, but thankfully the WASD keys stay cool. Battery life while gaming is just over an hour, so you're not taking this far from a wall outlet. But for raw gaming performance under $1,000? Nothing touches it. So there you have it, the 5 best laptops under $1,000 in 2026, from the ultra-portable MacBook Air to the gaming-focused Asus TUF. Every single buy link is waiting for you in the description box below. If this video helped you decide, smash that like button, share it with a friend who's shopping for a laptop, and subscribe so you don't miss the next review. I'll see you in the next one.